Yo, welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're on episode number 2 of documenting these 50k evals with Topstep. But yeah, here's pretty much a trade breakdown of today. I took this on the 50k evals, and this was basically a TP1 and then break even trade. So a little bit green on the day, but unfortunate we couldn't just wick into this 15-minute unfilled for value gap, which was my TP2. Would have scaled more there. But yeah, ES ended up hitting that gap and then reversing. But I was super bullish higher time frame, super good targets above, so I did not want to scale early. But yeah, break even, good break even for sure. Would have ended up stopping out. But yeah, gonna break this down. Pretty much what I saw here was we were in PM session first of all, and I did not see anything that I liked in AM session. I didn't get any model that I liked for inversions. So in PM session here, we were inside of this hourly for value gap here, right there. We had a SMT at this internal low with ES, so ES actually took out that low and NQ did not. Let's pull that up right here. Right here. So NQ took out this internal low, ES did not, so SMT there. Then we got a 2-minute inversion here, which I entered on. The time was around 2 p.m. Ideally, I wanted to see a 2 p.m. open low high close, but the buy side targets here were just super clean, so I didn't require that. Here, all the targets we had about 4 or 5 targets. Unfilled 15-minute gap, equal highs, low resistance liquidity, data highs above, and yeah, super good trade. But yeah, only secured about 0.32 R on this because I took partials at like 101. And as you can see, executions are crazy here because I took this in the gym, so I had to enter like just hitting out of 1 MNQ, so my average entry was pretty high up. And yeah, ended up getting hit break even around right here for the rest of my position. But yeah, I didn't know that on the mobile Topstep X app that I could just hit like buy 10. So yeah, now I know that for next time. But yeah, I had to hit buy 1 MNQ, so it looks kind of crazy right now. And that also averaged up my entry, which was not good. And yeah, got hit break even right here. But overall, green day. Accounts are still down about 2R here. I'm risking aggressive on these, so yeah, risking very aggressive on these evals, but we'll see what happens. And if these get blown, honestly, I'm gonna just go back to trading one, and I'm gonna trade it with proper risk management because I just been blowing way too many evals, if I'm being honest. So yeah, if we end up blowing all these with the high risk that I've been doing, the 1% risk, I'm just gonna do it the right way, which is really what I should have done from the start. But you know me, I like to, I don't know, I'm just aggressive with the eval, and on the funded I'm taking my time. But yeah, let's actually look at the funded as well right now. So October was not my best month at all, very rough. And the thing was, all of these were like decent setups, I would say, but yeah, just not the best month for me. And you can see over trading is not an issue that I have. Most of these are 1 to 2 trades a day. Here I believe I took partials or something, so it shows up as more trades. But yeah, the funded right now is down about $800. So right now I'm super de-risked on it until I get back to break even, and then I'll increase my risk back to 0.5%. But right now I'm risking about like 0.25% per trade, about like $180 at most, $150 around per trade. But yeah, just rough month on the funded. But yeah, been patient on this. But yeah, also missed a few PM trades here because of school and stuff that would probably put me up a little bit, but yeah, it's definitely not an excuse to why I'm red in AM session. But yeah, that's pretty much the fun day right now. We're gonna work this back up to break even. You can see we're running low there towards that trailing drawdown. We got about 48,300. So we got about 1,000 left in drawdown. So yeah, we're gonna be taking it super slow, A+ setups only. But yeah, most of these trades were pretty good setups though, I would say. Especially this week, all A+ setups here, just very rough week. But yeah, if you guys aren't subbed yet, make sure to hit that sub button real quick. Help me get to 1,000 subs by the end of this year. And yeah, also, yeah, I'm not sure if I just like totally went off topic there, but alright, so delivery off hourly, SMT at the low, 2-minute inversion, my entry. I went break even here once we tapped a 5-minute fair value gap, which was right here. This gap right here in price. We could have held it, which we basically did, but we inversed it. But yeah, basically held this 5-minute. So once price tapped there, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna move to break even, remove my risk from this trade, because we could hold that 5-minute and continue down if we are bearish. But we also had this super obvious internal high here, which was gonna be my TP1, but then ES ended up taking that very fast. As you can see right here on this candle right here, ES took that high. So yeah, ES took that high on this candle right here. So that was when price tapped into that 5-minute fair value gap on NQ. ES took out this obvious internal high, so we had an SMT there. So I closed out 50% of my position, which ended up hold up. Something fell on my keyboard. So yeah, ended up closing around 175 on the day, which is, it should have been around 250 if it was really 1-1, but yeah, not sure. I like kind of messed that up, but yeah. So this would be around 0.3 R. I was risking 500 on this aggressively on the account, so very negative RR, but took my partials when I could, and yeah, it is what it is. I did have high confidence in this 15-minute getting tapped on ES, but, or not on ES, on NQ. It's 15-minute unfilled for value gap. Wanted to see that get tapped, and then I was about to close out like 80% of my position there. But yeah, you can see here we got edged, didn't get tapped, so yeah. And also I'm gonna break down the trade from yesterday in AM session. I think I forgot to break that down, but yeah, we took a loss in AM session. Definitely a good loss. I wouldn't say this was bad. Good model. Had a 3-minute inversion here. SMT at the high. Delivery off 15-minute. Low resistance liquidity below. Data lows below. Above the daily open. So this 3-minute inversion with this displacement looked super free. At least the data lows, but got stopped on that. And yeah, that's that. We ended up being a lot more bullish here. Higher time frame, which higher time frame, the reason this lost was higher time frame, we had like a significant liquidity sweep that sponsored the move higher. But yeah, I did want to see this low retracement here down to this data low, and then I would have been out there full. But yeah, got stopped out, so took an L on that. And yeah, so right now all the accounts are sitting at, I believe, 49K, 49,200. So yeah, we're still gonna be risking aggressive on these. 500 per trade, 8+ setups only, and if we end up blowing these, because technically we only got 2 trades left, if we end up blowing these, I'm gonna just get one eval, and I'm gonna do it the right way, risking 0.5%, which is really what I should just be doing right now. But I like being aggressive. I don't know. I like blowing money on fundeds. But yeah, so I've been wasting way too much bread on fundeds. So yeah, if we blow these, I'm gonna just cop one and risk 250 per trade. Take my time. Might take literally a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months to pass it, since I am still like not super consistent. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I know these executions look crazy, but that's just because I had to tap 11111 on my phone to get in on MNQ. But yeah, actually we did end up losing one of these. But yeah, alright. So that's that. Yesterday's trade. Today's trade, little W, broke it down in here as well. TP1 break even. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys aren't in my Discord, join up. 100% free. Of course, I don't charge for anything, as I'm still on my journey right now. But there are a ton of good resources in here you guys could learn from if you're new. Also, I have my model that I use in here. This model as well, but mostly this model is only what I use. These are the same thing, it's just this one has some accumulation in it. But yeah, a lot of great resources in here, especially for beginners. Highly recommend this right here. This is the strategy that I use, Dodgy's Bootcamp. He breaks it down very clear. And yeah, that's one of my mentors, him in PV trading. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Small green day for me, but green is green. So yeah, until next time, I'll catch you guys. Peace.